In today's world, a lot of things can be done differently because the technology has improved so much and technology has become so affordable. We are living in an India which is almost completely connected with 4G. The number of internet connection and the quality of internet speed has increased dramatically in last 5 to 10 years. The quality of smartphones and the number of apps which can support us in our learning have grown beyond imagination. But still I see so many people fail to understand the potential of this technology. So let me give you some example of how you can help yourself in improving your English fluency by use of technology. At one side there is lot available on internet. I am not going to mention that today. Let's take a simple app like any audio recording app. You could simply have an audio recording app in your phone, put it in your upper pocket or just keep an earphone and have a walk on your terrace or in a garden and indulge into self-talk. We all indulge into some amount of self-talk where you think about your own ideas. The only difference is here you have to do it bit loudly, of course, when no one is around, so that you can be yourself. You need not be conscious. Try to speak in the language you would like to improve. So if you want to improve your English, try to speak it, let it get recorded. After few minutes you will forget actually that this is getting recorded and your natural communication will get recorded. And later on listen to that. If you don't want to do self talk, then you could just give a commentary of the things you are looking. Or you can do a role play. You could probably give a speech on any particular topic and let it record. And later on, here is the trick. Later on, transcribe that. Whatever you have spoken, transcribe that. There are softwares which will convert whatever you are speaking into text. Once the text is ready, and it is available free of cost, there are so many good softwares. You could probably ask a tech YouTuber to give you some good options here, but there are many. Even if you do a simple Google search, you would find. So after transcription, paste that transcription, whatever script is there, put it in the websites which are text correction websites or simply in your Microsoft Word, and it will give you or highlight all your grammatical mistakes. So here, without even help of any person, almost at free of cost, with the technology, you would be able to figure out what are your common flaws, what kind of sentences you are speaking wrongly. You will become self-aware. Please understand, one of the most important aspect of improving your own communication skills, whether it's language skills or your body language, is to become self-aware that where I am going wrong, where I need to improve. This self-awareness is very important, and for that we have to indulge into such exercise. You could listen to podcasts. There are so many podcasts which are dedicated to English learning. There are podcasts from BBC. There are podcasts like let me give you some names of the podcast I have made a note of. There are podcasts like Splendid Speaking or 6-Minute English or Learn English podcast or English We Speak, and there are many such, Better at English, many such podcasts. Okay, so just go on Google Podcast or maybe Spotify or any of the podcasts which you like and listen to these podcasts free of cost. You are having that. It doesn't even take a lot of internet, and every day if you listen, definitely there will be improvement in that. There are, if you could afford, then there are apps available where you can find native English speaker to talk with and who can help you without making you uncomfortable, without judging you. So like Cambly is one app, Cambly, which provides it. Of course it is a bit expensive for a common Indian, but still if you could afford, that's a good option. So you could create a mastermind group online and talk with the people on same topic again and again. And of course I'm not even mentioning the number of websites available which helps you in improving your English. So maybe that will come in some other video. So here are the few things which I mentioned and which I would suggest you to contemplate. Record yourself, transcribe it, let it get converted into text, and then verify that text by keeping into softwares which will find out your grammatical mistakes. These services are freely available. You could do an online verification, or you could simply copy paste it in Microsoft Word, or maybe even on your just Gmail, which gives a very what I would say decent correct spelling checker and grammar checker. So you could try any of these services. I'm sure it will help you. I don't think there should be any excuse for not doing these things and keep on waiting. My English is not good, my English is not good. It won't happen unless you take some action.